So you want to know how to improve your enterprise sales strategy in healthcare in 5 easy steps? Well, everyone in a healthcare startup is revolutionising the ecosystem, but how are you going to get your message across when everyone else and their dog is shouting the same thing at your targets? So you need to get to know your target's financial year. Working with organisations, it behoves you to understand their fiscal calendar, particularly in healthcare, as everything is always broken down into budgets. To ensure that your product is taken into account, you must know when the budgets are being formulated and subsequently when it would be a good time to be included in these conversations. If you don't know them, maybe a member of your team does. Nobody is alone. The execs, the board members of large hospital providers are well-connected people. Large hospitals are important parts of the community, so there is often community leaders within arm's reach of these individuals, not just those in healthcare. If you know someone in the organisation, no matter how contrasting the connection, get in touch with them and ask for a more strategic introduction. Cold outreach is fine as long as you have your messaging right. If you have no way of getting into an organisation that is warm, it is possible. Do it with a cold outreach like emails, but you have to get your messaging right. Do not talk about your products. Executives do not care. What they do care about is their problems and they want solutions to them. They are only interested in your product if it meets the challenges and solves the problems. Shape your target's needs through the production of strategic content. Healthcare executives are oversubscribed, oversold to, and as a result, are seriously lacking the bandwidth. So a good way of getting them to use your marketing is to be consistently, eloquently, and intelligently pitching your value through your marketing channels. This will help to warm up clients from a distance, and with a decent marketing strategy in place, your clients will know of you before they even sit across the table from you. Take the time to measure client feedback and engagement and pivot accordingly. With an 18-month sales cycle, there is more than enough time to improve things as you go. Try and get as much real-time data captured as possible, knowing who, when, where, and why someone is reading your messages. We all know it's borderline creepy when the person that opened the email clicked the link and spent 26 minutes reading the document you sent them last night. So I hope you found these tips useful, and if you are looking for help recruiting, or perhaps just looking for a new role, feel free to contact us. You can complete our contact form on our website and have a non-obligation chat with one of our consultants.